Inform is a Blaupunkt SM01, and today I will show you how to remove the battery from the device. So starting off, what you want to do is just flip the device over and you'll have a little notch right here. You can see where you can put your fingernail and pull off the cover. So let's do that. And then you get access to the battery, and all you need to do is just simply push it down and out like so, and it comes out. And putting it back, basically the same process. Just make sure you put it correctly. You have a little notch right here, basically corresponds with the battery. You can just put it back in and then turn on the device. So just gonna hold the power button. As you can see, it's turning back on. So that is basically how you remove the battery from the device and also put it back in. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.